Ning, let us listen to the weather news. There's another strong typhoon that will hit Luzon.
Tropical Cyclone Julina, sustaining a maximum wind speed of 135 kilometers per hour, is expected to hit land by 8 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Is that a strong typhoon, Mom?
No, anak. Signal number 1 is the weakest typhoon signal in our country. But it doesn't mean that we can just rest easy. All typhoons are potentially dangerous.
Typhoon signal number 1 is already...
Listen! The weatherman is explaining the different typhoon signals according to the Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical, and Astronomical Services Administration.
In short, pag-asa. Right, Mom?
You got it, anak.
Because of our location on Earth, our country is visited by at least 20 tropical cyclones every year. Let us find out more about tropical cyclones and typhoon signals and what these signals mean. A cyclone or bagyo is the most common weather disturbance in the Philippines. Tropical cyclone is the general term used to describe any major weather disturbance in the tropics. When a typhoon enters the Philippine Area of Responsibility or PAR, Pag-asa issues warning signals to the public. Typhoon signals are raised according to the strength and speed of the wind and the time such kind of winds may be expected. This is the Pag-asa Modified Public Storm Warning System. It was adopted in 1991 and it is still being used today. PSS1 means Public Storm Signal Number 1. It means that a tropical cyclone may be expected within 36 hours. Wind speed of 30 up to 60 kilometers per hour with intermittent rains may occur. At this time, people are advised to take necessary precautions and listen to the news for further information about a tropical cyclone. PSS2 means that a tropical cyclone will affect a place within 24 hours. This time, wind speed of 60 up to 100 kilometers per hour may be expected. The wind may also bring light to moderate damage to properties in the affected area. Classes are suspended and children are advised to stay indoors. People are advised to secure their properties to minimize damage from strong winds. Coastal and sea waters would be dangerous to small boats, and ships are advised not to sail. PSS3 means that a dangerous tropical cyclone will affect the locality within 18 hours. Wind speed of 100 up to 185 kilometers per hour will be expected. All classes are suspended and people are advised to stay indoors. People living in low-lying areas are advised to evacuate and to stay away from riverbanks and coasts. PSS4 means that a very intense tropical cyclone will affect the area within 12 hours. Very strong winds of more than 178 kilometers per hour will hit the locality. This kind of typhoon is referred to as a super typhoon. People are advised to stay at home or in evacuation centers. All travels and outdoor activities should be canceled. People living in shanties and low-lying areas should move to a much safer place and stronger shelters.
We don't have much strong typhoons here in Mindanao. That's why we don't have much suspension of classes due to bad weather.
That is right. We have to be thankful that Mindanao is not visited much by strong tropical cyclones. But at the same time, we have to pray for those who are affected in Luzon and Visayas.